Welcome to day 2 of our 30 days of positive affirmations to transform your life forever. Yesterday, we began our journey with a powerful affirmation that set the stage for positive change. Today, we're continuing to build on that momentum with a new affirmation designed to deepen your belief in your own abilities and potential. Today's affirmation is, I am capable and strong. Let's take a moment to reflect on what this means. In life, we often face challenges that test our strength, resilience, and resolve. It's easy to doubt ourselves when obstacles appear, but today we're going to remind ourselves that we are fully equipped to handle anything that comes our way. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. I am capable and strong. Say it with conviction, and let the words resonate deep within you. Feel the power behind these words as they affirm your inherent strength and ability. You possess the skills, knowledge, and inner wisdom needed to navigate life's challenges. You've already overcome so much in your life, and every experience has made you stronger. Today's affirmation is a reminder that you can trust in your own abilities. No matter what life throws at you, you have the strength to overcome it. Every time you face a challenge today, repeat this affirmation. I am capable and strong. Let it be your mantra, a source of confidence that empowers you to take on any task, any obstacle, with courage and determination. Remember, being strong doesn't mean you won't feel fear or uncertainty. It means you acknowledge those feelings, but you move forward anyway, trusting in your ability to find a way through. Being capable doesn't mean you have all the answers right now. It means you trust that you will figure things out as you go. As you go through your day, keep this affirmation close to your heart. Whenever self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself, I am capable and strong. Trust in your abilities and your resilience. You've got this. Thank you for joining me on day 2 of this transformative journey. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue to strengthen our mindset and create the life we desire. Until then, stay strong, stay positive, and believe in yourself.